Now we will do one example that we have not done in our notebooks. So this is one example. It is given in a textbook. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of the park that has already been made in the shape of isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of the rectangular park of altitude 12 meter. Find its length and breadth. So this is the rectangular park and its area is made up of isosceles triangles. So first one, rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. So let the breadth be x meter. We don't know. Okay, we need to find the breadth and length. And length be, what is the length? Its breadth is 3 meters less than its length. So obviously the length will be 3 meters greater. X plus 3 meters. Length is 3 meters less. That means, sorry, breadth is 3 meters less. That means length is 3 meters more. Now, what is the area of a rectangular? Length into breadth. It becomes x into x plus 3. That is equal to x square plus 3x meters square. This is our area. Now, its area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of the park that has already been made in the shape of isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means two equal sides and two equal sides having two equal sides, that triangle is called isosceles triangle. Now its base of isosceles triangle, it is given in our question. It is base of the rectangular park. Okay, this, that is x meter. Now altitude is given. What is altitude or height? It is given 12 meter. Then area of the triangle, it is half bh. That is the equation. That is equal to half into what is base? Base is given as x into 12. That is equal to 6x meter. Okay. Now, according to the question, its area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of the park that has been already made in the shape of isosceles triangle. So, area of the rectangle is given x square plus 3x. Okay. Its area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of isosceles triangle. That means that ഈ റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ പാർക്കിന്റെ ഏരിയയുടെ 4 മീറ്റർ സ്ക്വയർ കൂടുതലാണ് ഐസോസെലസ് ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ ഏരിയ. അതാണ് മീനിങ്. That means here it is given 6x is the area of isosceles triangle is 4 square meter more than this area, that is 6x plus 4. Okay. Now form quadratic equation, that is x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, this is in our standard form. From here, what is A? A is equal to quadratic formula. Okay. A equal to 1, B equal to what? B minus 3 and C equal to minus 4. From this, what is b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c, that is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Now finding the roots, x equal to minus b plus or minus, I am not writing the equation, minus b plus or minus square root of 25 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1. This become 3 plus or minus 5 by 2. So x have two values, 8 by 2 is equal to 4, or x equal to minus 5 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So neglect this, and x equal to 4 is the breadth, and length will be 4 plus 3 equal to 7 meter. Okay, clear? Moving on to the next example. It is given in our textbook based on quadratic formula. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So this is the, if it is a motorboat, if it is a motorboat, it is moving on to 18 km per hour speed. Okay. Now find the speed of the stream. So first one, we don't know what is stream. So let speed of stream, we can take it as x meter. We don't know what is the speed. Now you may know the relationship between distance, time and speed. If not, I will tell you one simple technique to remember the relationship. Okay, if it is in a triangle, if it is in a triangle, it is distance, this is speed and time. So remembering the relationship between distance, speed and time, if cover the time, time is equal to distance by speed. If it is speed is covered, speed is equal to distance by time. If the distance is covered, distance equal to speed by time. This is the relationship between distance, speed and time. Don't forget, it is easy method to remember. So now a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream. So we need to find speed of boat on upstream. So it is when the boat is moving on to the upstream, the speed will be less. So 18 km is the boat speed, and the speed of stream is x meter. So when moving on to upstream, it will be less. Then speed of boat on downstream. Downstream, what? Obviously, when moving on to downstream, it will be more. So 18 plus x. Now the time. Time taken for the boat upstream. I told you time is distance. What is time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Here, distance by speed. Distance is given what? 24 km divided by what is the speed of boat at upstream? It is 80 minus x Then time taken for boat for downstream, distance divided by speed, 24 divided by 80 minus x. All the statements are written by the according to question. Okay. Now by question, speed of boat on upstream and downstream, their difference is 1 hour. Okay. So 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1 hour. This is given in our question. Now cross multiply these equations. We will get 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x divided by what? In a LHS it is 1. We can take this into RHS. So it will become 18 minus x into 18 plus x. Okay. Now simplify this equation. We will get what I did now. 432 minus plus 24x minus 432 plus 24x equal to 18 into 18 becomes 324. 324 plus 18x minus 18x minus x square. Okay. Now this term will be cancelled and this 2 term will be cancelled. The remaining is 48x equal to minus x square plus 324. Okay. Now taking this side, minus x square minus 324 plus 48x equal to 0, that is x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. Now we got equations into standard form. Now x equal a equal to 1, b equal to 48 and c equal to minus 324. Find what is x. You will get the 2 roots. Afterwards you just try out. Okay. These are the methods. You asked that. I just did all the problems. Again, if you have doubts, you can ask me.